It's disgusting inside. Like, disgusting. The driver's side master switch doesn't work. This is off. The rear hatch, it's gross inside. Take a look. So step one, just gonna take all the mats out of the vehicle and clean them all out. Just try to get rid of the stink in this car. Gross. So yeah, cigarette ashes. So just doing like a general kind of clean out the interior just so it doesn't smell. How dirty it is inside. I just took the mats out. As you can see, it is filthy. And here's the best part. Look at that. Gross. Look at that. Burned a hole right through the carpet. So yeah, this thing needs help. So let's get to it. Here's the back. Yeah. Okay, that way we can just take a look underneath, collect all the money, which there is a lot of. Maybe it'll pay for the car. I just want to do this test section just to see what we're going to be left with. You know what I mean? Let's see if this car can clean up. So this is just Vigener, dish soap, and water. And what I do is I just scrub it in. We want to lift all that dirt and then we can vacuum it up. Get rid of the smells from the carpet best we can. Just so everyone knows, it's like 32 degrees, 36 degrees out here, Celsius. We're gonna do the door now. just to see what this baby could look like. What do you guys think? You think this car can come back to life? I know it's not perfect, but you gotta remember, this car was less than 1,000 US. I know it's got a little paint mark there, so I'll have to scrub that out. It's got some wear and tear on the outside here. But other than that, door handles work, locks work, mirrors work. Window switch does not. There's still some dirt in there. I gotta get in there and clean that up. So, a little scrubbing. Look what you can get. I know it's a little... That's just some of the detailer. There is a mild crack here. Ugh. Money. So we're using some. So we're here and we're gonna use some baking soda to soak the carpets, and I'm gonna clean the headliner because it smells with hot water, baking soda, or maybe some Vinegar first, then some baking soda. We'll see. I'm gonna scrub it all down because I think that's where the smell is from the cigarettes. All right, guys. So this is after a lot of cleaning. I still need to do a little more. She's looking all right.